Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make transparent header in Shopify. So to get us started, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to shopify.com and log in into your account. Now once you log in your account, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your online store. Just click on that. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to locate your team. So in your team, you want to click on the three dotted icon there and you want to go to edit code. So as of this moment, we won't have the option to actually directly edit our header via the UI itself, but we'll be able to actually edit this one via our edit code option here. So let's just close anything that we see here. And from here, you want to open up assets. Now under assets, you want to look for base.css. So you want to edit this one. Now, once you click on it, it's going to actually open up that file here at the right side of your screen. In here, you want to go to the very bottom. And here at the very bottom, you'll see the last closing bracket here. So you want to go ahead and insert the following code. So the code is going to be header dash wrapper, opening bracket, background none, border none. So you have to enter this exactly as you see here on my screen, and from here you just need to click on save, and once you save on that, you just need to visit store, and the header should no longer be visible, or the header should now be transparent, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.